Namo Namaha. Learning Sanskrit by Verses, number 53, Nanvatmanam. Your co-student S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. नन्वात्मानं बहुविगणयन्नात्मनैवावलम्बे तत्कल्याणित्वमपि नितरां मागमः कातरत्वं कस्यात्यन्तं सुखमुपनतं दुःखमेकान्ततो वा नीचैर्गच्छत्युपरि च दशा चक्रनेमिक्रमेण. You may pause the video here, note down the Subhashitam and do Padachhedaha by yourself. My Padachhedaha: ननु आत्मानं बहु विगणयन् आत्मना एव अवलम्बे तत् कल्याणि त्वम् अपि नितरां मा अगमः कातरत्वं कस्य अत्यन्तं सुखम् उपनतं दुःखम् एकान्ततः वा नीचैः गच्छति उपरि च दशा चक्रनेमिक्रमेण. पदच्छेदाननु वाक्यपदीयाभ्यास तालिका. तालिका tabulation. अभ्यास study. वाक्यपदीयाभ्यास clause wise, phrase wise study. पदच्छेदाननु subsequent to the padachheda. Here the columns are अनुक्रमांकः, कर्तृपदीयाः, अव्ययानि, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, कर्मपदीयाः, क्रियापदीयाः. Note, Kartrupadaha are words or phrases related to the subject. Avyayani, indeclinables. Anye Subantaha, words in other vibhaktis. Karmapadiyaha, words or phrases related to the object in the sentence. Kriyapadiyaha, the verb related words in the sentence. ननु अव्ययम् आत्मना एव आत्मानं विगणयन् अहम् अवलम्बे त्वमपि तत् नितरां कल्याणि कातरत्वं मा अगमः अत्यन्तं सुखं कस्य उपनतं भवति दुःखं वा एकान्ततः कस्य उपनतं भवति दशा नीचैः उपरि च चक्रनेमिक्रमेण गच्छति. आत्मना एव, by myself only, बहुविगणयन्, quite some entertaining. ननु अहम् आत्मानम् अवलम्बे, really I support myself. विगणयन्, विगणयत् इति is shatrantam of V plus gan. दशमगणीयः उभयपदी. To entertain. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. अवलंबे अव प्लस लंब प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी. To support. कल्याणी my fair lady. तत् hence त्वम् अपि you too कातरत्वं नितरां मा अगमः. Do not at all despair. कल्याणी is स्त्रीलिंगम संबोधनम ekvachanam of kalyanin, one who has fairness, auspiciousness, happiness. Kataratvam, fear, despair. Nitaram, avyayam, totally, at all. Ma agamaha, though agamaha is lung madhyam purush ekvachanam of gam prathamaganiyah parasmepadi. Lung means bhutkala, past tense. To go. Gam, to go. With ma, it gets sense of imperative, lot. Hence, kataratvam ma agamaha, do not despair. Kasya atyantam sukham upanatam, who is bestowed with unending happiness. Atyantam, antam ati. Iti atyantam, विशेषणम, beyond end, unending. अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. उपनतम, उपनत क्तांतम of upanam, प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, to befall. to have in one's lot. Ekantataha. Ekaha eva antaha iti ekantaha. Finality, nothing else. Taha is a suffix lending meaning as of Panchami Bhakti, that is the preposition from. Here, ekantataha means with finality, with no option. Dasha, state of happiness or of sorrow. Gacchati, goes. Chakranemi kramena, following the order as is in the circumference of a wheel. Nichaihi, uparicha, up and down. Dasha, strilingam, state. Chakranemi kramena, chakrasya nemihi, षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः. चक्रनेम्याः क्रमः, अगेन षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः. चक्रनेमिक क्रमः, तेन चक्रनेमिक क्रमेण. नेमिः स्त्रीलिंगम, सर्कम्फरेंस. छंदो विश्लेषण. मेट्रिकल एनालिसिस. प्रत्येकस्मिन् पादे 17 सप्तदश अक्षराणि लेटर्स. नन्वात्मानं बहुविगणयन्नात्मनैवावलम्बे. The matras are द्वे द्वे द्वे, द्वे एका एका, एका एका एका, द्वे द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे. म भ न त त ग ग. These are the ganaha. And that pattern is same in the other three quarters also. So, Mandakranta Vrittamidam. The name of this meter is Mandakranta. Drushyatam asya lakshanapadam. Mandakrantam budhirasanagaiर्मोहनौक्तौ युगयुग्मम्. Swadhyaya, notes of self-study. This Subhashitam is shloka number 48 in Uttar Megha, second section of Meghadutam, a poem by Kavihi Kalidasa. In Meghadutam, there are two sections, Purva Megha 63 shloka and Uttar Megha 52 shloka. All 115 shloka are in Mandakranta Vrittam. Note, Mandakranta means one that proceeds at a slow pace. Meghadutam means what is for a cloud as a messenger. It seems that the poet chose a slow-paced Mandakranta Vrittam since the message is to be given to a cloud for the cloud to carry and deliver. The plot is that Yakshaha, a celestial being, is in Ramagiri hills, present-day Ramtek near Nagpur, undergoing punishment to stay away from his wife, who is in the residence in Alkanagari, in the Himalayas. At the onset of monsoon, Yakshaha is overcome with pangs of separation, sights a cloud who he thinks can carry a message to his beloved wife. It is interesting that Yakshaha addresses his wife as Kalyani. In Tamil, Kalyanam means marriage, beginning of a happy phase in life. Chakrara Pankti or Chakrani Mikrama seems to be a simile popular among Sanskrit poets. Kavi Bhasaha used it in his Swapnavasa Dattam, and here Kavi Kalidasaha using it in Meghadutam. Meghadutam is interspersed with quite a few Subhashitani, such as the present one. The first line here, I entertain myself by myself, is so relevant to the present worldwide anxiety due to COVID-19. Also, the phrase here, Nichair gacchatyuparicha dasha, resonates so well with Chinnopi rohati tarhu in number 27 and Jagatah bhagya pankti kalakramena parivartamana in the previous verse number 52. We need to keep reminding ourselves that santaha na santapyante. So stay safe, stay cool. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601 @gmail.com. Shubhamastu.